If you watched yesterday's video, you'll see how I drew 2018 in bubble lettering, and today I'm going to show you how to turn this into a 3D version. And the thing is basically just to take an edge. So this is the kind of the angle that we're doing. So, oh look, there's another edge. So you're going to want an edge there like that, and then oh, you're going to want an edge like that, and then oh, let's just do the 2's first like that, and then the 0 is going to want one like that, and then it's going to want one like that, and then the 1 is going to want one there, and there, and there, and the 8 will want one there, and there, and there, basically. And then what we need to do is just to kind of plan out how it's going to work. So it's kind of following those lines, but a little way down and below, if that makes sense, like that. And then so this is going to come around there, and then that will come up to that point there, and we've got a similar thing going on here. So we're wanting the same kind of distance. The 1 is going to be in there and underneath and curling around. We'll see a little bit of the curl on that 8 there, and we'll see a lot more of it about there, I think. And then that's going to come in there, that's going to come in there. And like I was saying yesterday, you must draw really, really gently. Don't dig and press it into the paper, just kind of feather it on the surface of the paper, and then it becomes much easier to erase later. So let's draw these sort of 3D lines. It's like they're going backwards, aren't they? And we can go around like that, and then we come around there too. Now we're going to see a little bit of a line in there, and that's going to come around there. A bit in there, that's going to come around there. Like that. There we go. So when you're absolutely sure the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines really easily because you didn't press too hard. And I'm imagining the light is coming in this direction, so that is going to want to be much darker. But then make those lines smaller and further apart. So it's going to be darker underneath there. So this will be dark. But as we come around the corner, then those lines can get smaller and further apart. And similar here, this is kind of, lines are quite close together, and as we come around the corner they can get smaller and further apart. This is going to want to be dark under there, and they get smaller and further apart. Dark under here, smaller, further apart. That's going to be dark, smaller, further apart. This is going to be dark, and then as it comes around, smaller, further apart, smaller, further apart. Dark there, getting lighter, smaller and further apart. There we are, doing that again. And there you go, how to draw 2018 in 3D. And click the subscribe button down here to make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more how to draw videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.